Welcome to another episode of Effortless Landscapes. My name is Antonio, a watercolor enthusiast just like you. Today we're going to be learning how to do a flat wash. Not like this, but like this. First, I will show you how not to do it, and then I'll show you how to do it. This is the way you don't do it. You don't start here, and then go here, and then grab more. And you fill it up. What's gonna happen is that when you're brushing around, you'll leave streaks. Here is not so visible since I actually didn't take that much time to do it. But how you're supposed to do it is going from left to right or right to left, depending if you are right-handed or left-handed, and just use the bead like this excess water and bring it down. Right now you see I'm running out of water, or I mean pigment. You need more. Grab it and you put it down. I know that this one looks nicer just because it's more of a square, but this one will actually dry perfectly flat. And here you can actually see now that it's a little bit dry how it's a little bit lighter than here. What you want to do in a flat wash is for it to be always even. The way you do that is by always having the same amount of water and pigment on your brush. Never have too much or too little. So again, you go, we still have a lot. That's getting a bit low, so I reload my brush, then go back in, touch the edge again. It's getting a bit low, get more. And as you can see, even though I'm doing lines down, you don't see the streaks. And that's because we're using the same amount of paint all the time. There's a little bit of excess paint here. I'm just gonna pick it up. This is gonna turn out a little bit lighter. I'll show you one more time how not to do it. So if you started like this and then did this and came down here, let's say you did like that, and then you want to pull this down, and then let's say that you grab too much water, like you dip your brush in the water, and then you want to come back and you want to fill this up. I'm gonna do it one more time just because I felt like I didn't do it badly enough. Let's say I press my brush and I do this, then grab more, and I just do this, and I just try to cover the area, that. What you want to think about is brush economy. You want to pass the area once, not twice, not 3 times, just once. And you want to use the bead of the paint. This is the bead. You know, you can see that there's a little bit more water. And if your table is a little bit on a slant, you can see that the water will go to the bottom and it will travel down. Here there's a lot of paint which is just traveling down because this became wet, and that's how you can also make a flat wash using the gravity going down. I'll demonstrate it a little bit better now. I'll grab a quite a lot of water, and the mixture will be a bit heavier. You see, that's a bead of water. I'm just gonna rinse out the brush a little bit and just touch it. You'll see how it starts moving down. You can also do a flat wash that way. See, and just move it down, and that way you can get flat wash as well, and you can remove the excess paint from the bottom. I didn't do a great job there, but you can see the difference of this one. You can kind of see that there's a blotchy patch there. Oh, there's still water in my brush. There's some background here, very slight, but there is there. You can see some lines here, and here it's more even, as well as this one. And you saw that I even did this, and you can't see the brush strokes there. And here it's super even as well as this one. So that's how you do a flat wash. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to join our community of landscape lovers and watercolor enthusiasts. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.